Hello and welcome to the Directorate for Technology, Innovation, and Partnerships pilot to visualize the Directorate's investment and help improve award search capability. The goal for the TIP investment pilot is to show the locations of NSF investments nationwide and to easily find projects by key technology area, like biotechnology or quantum or AI. Using Elsevier's Pure platform, which is a research information management system, this tool is a one-stop hub that will continue to evolve. Once you open the investment pages, you'll see two primary panes, one in white with a variety of text on it, and one that shows a map. To see everything each pane has to offer, we recommend using a large browser window. Together, these two panes allow us to explore awards and research contracts managed by TIP since 2022, when the CHIPS and Science Act became law. Information about these awards and research contracts is updated weekly and comes from the official NSF awards database. All of the information is publicly available. That's a lot of data to search through, so let's go over some of the key information and functions of this platform. First, let's look at the number of awards that are currently included on the platform and where they're located. Let's also check out the other tools at the top, the Reset button, the Help button, and the Filter button. Here's the Reset button, which resets any filter options that have been selected. Next is the Help button, which you likely already found if you're watching this video, but has more resources and definitions to help you navigate the pages. Below these buttons is the Filter button, which currently has three primary options. First is the Active Fiscal Year filter, which allows you to limit your search to awards that were only active in certain government fiscal years, which run from October 1st to September 30th. You can change your selection by adjusting these dots on the timeline. A search can also be limited by projects that were funded in what NSF calls EPSCoR jurisdictions by using this toggle. EPSCoR is the established program to stimulate competitive research program. It has a mission to enhance the research competitiveness of targeted jurisdictions, states, territories, or commonwealths by strengthening science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM capacity. Lastly, if you use this button besides Show Active Awards Only, the toggle changes to show which awards are still active, meaning they haven't finished their work yet or are still receiving NSF funds.